making, Tony?
You bet.
Fuck. Forgot about the damn... Oh. Sorry. Bill? Oh, thank you, Tony.
You're welcome.
Where am I? Staircase. No good deed goes unpunished, right?
That's right. It's not the world I want to live in. That's the world. That's the way it is.
I know, right?
Go.
Wow, some car came in?
How did you get?
I came out, slipped into the other lane.
First and third, just like that. I don't even know what I did wrong. You took those too fast. Really? Not brake?
Turbo! Fuck.
I'm clearly not braking. I'm not letting go or something.
Son of a bitch. Go to the built tunnel again. I can barely reach that. I was waiting for Carlos to come back to that. And apparently, all I need to go in pit lane.
Yeah. I'm stuck even in the pit now behind people.
Could have stayed there all race. Wow, that was nice of you to get out of the way.
Bill.
I figured out what I knew over there. You did figure out? I turned around too early. As soon as I'm not in my corner, everybody crashes there, huh, bro? Yeah. What is up? Going backwards was a bad idea. I was driving fine until... Oh, your tires gave up? No.
The large thing became a big, huge thing.
Yeah, but Trevor's not here. You take care of all this mess.
And yet, when I'm there, nobody ever crashes there.
I keep doing that. I don't know what the hell that was all about. It's like I don't have a.
Thank you.
Trying to. Griffin. There you go. Oh, good racing look.
That was a nice race there. Woo!
I saw that one.
There was nothing I could do to avoid it, but I did. I mean, but you. Oh, excellent race.
Too bad. It's funny how I thought they lost traction on one curve. Bam, you're right there. That's all it takes, right?
That's right. So I thought I picked the wrong.
All right.
Oh, I was watching you guys race.
DNF.
No DNFs.
Oh, damn it, I'm behind. I got too much gas.
Well, you had to get a full tank on that one, didn't you?
I'm not sure.
That was the second tip, wasn't it?
I love it the third.
Really? That was the second.
Or maybe when I did fine.
Whoa. No help, Evan.
Good with that.
Yep.
Trevor's really good with his. Thank you.
My left hand aiming.
Yeah, he keeps changing his phone for everyone to look at. So
Well, we need one hand to drive the car, so.
you're aware of it all. It's really cool.
I'm following you randomly.
Yeah.
Wow! I thought I only had 2 pit stops, Carter. I swear it was only 2.
That's okay.